My name is Malcolm, and I am the instructor for the Boyanup Foundation Blacksmiths. I started in 1945 when I left school, and I had no intention to go to school again, and my friend was a blacksmith's son, and I happened to be waiting for him outside of the blacksmith shop, and his father saw me standing there and he said, "Have you got a job yet?" And I said no, and he said, "You can start now," and which is what I did. I've made lots of things. I make whatever appeals to me. So I've been involved in making axes, farm implements, farm tools, swords, armour, knives. Got lots of knives.
I'm not making anything exciting at the moment. It's going to be a snake. I'm going to leave it straight because I'm going to make the head and then I'll shape the body into a coil. When I came here to an open day at the South West Railway Heritage Centre, I was very excited to see this group, and I asked if I could join. I'm trying to be clever and make that its tongue, which no one's done yet, so I've got to put a hole in it first, and I forgot. That's what I'm doing. You can take a square bit of steel and turn it into something organic. You can transform it with fire. I love working with fire because of the properties. And it's also an age-old tradition, so you're learning ancient craft.
Steel is laminated, and that's a side section of steel. You see all the laminations, yeah. And that's iron and that's steel, and there's no grain in steel.
So it's great being here at the South West Railway Heritage Centre. It's like a living museum, I suppose, because you get to see the steam train, the men working with wood, the old machinery. Sometimes we have old cars here, markets. We have different themes, but yes, the public love it, coming in and watching. We'll talk to them and show them. Sometimes we let some children have a go at hitting something. Yeah, so it's good fun.
I couldn't be a mathematician, and I couldn't. I do write, but I'm not a scholar, and I never was. I never liked school. There was no intention. I never had any intention of staying at school. I just found something that I could do, and that's what we done.